Welcome to Section 1, Food Safety and the Law. Food safety is so important there are laws about how a food handler should handle food. As a food handler, you have a legal responsibility to ensure you provide safe food. In this section, you'll learn about the food safety laws, your responsibilities as a food handler, and the consequences of non-compliance with the laws. But first, let's start with food poisoning. What is food poisoning? Food poisoning occurs when germs called bacteria grow in the food and make you sick after eating it. The food becomes unsafe for human consumption. You can't taste or see or smell the germs, so there's no signs that you shouldn't eat the food. Food that looks fresh and tasty can still make you sick. You can also catch a virus, such as the flu, by eating food someone else with the flu touched or sneezed on. So how does food become unsafe? It becomes unsafe in 4 ways. The first way is harmful bacteria multiply on the food. When high-risk food, and we'll cover what they are later in the course, is stored at the wrong temperature for too long, bacteria increases to dangerous levels. These bacteria produce toxins that cause food poisoning. Cross-contamination of food from raw, high-risk foods or unhygienic handling can also cause food poisoning. And we'll look at what cross-contamination is also later in the course. Food can become unsafe when it gets contaminated by dangerous substances. This is caused by chemicals such as cleaning agents, detergents or pesticides getting into the food. Objects can contaminate food. This is caused by things that shouldn't be in food: dirt, glass, hair, false fingernails, stones, pests. Food can become unsafe because food handlers contaminate it with poor health or hygiene. So how do you keep food safe? You handle and store food in hygienic conditions, you use temperature control to limit bacteria growth, and you avoid cross-contamination from other foods, surfaces, hands, or equipment.